Statistics show most of us will eventually develop cataracts at some point in our lives. Are you afraid of having cataract surgery? Dr. Jeffrey Whitman of the Key Whitman Eye Center says, don't put it off. Cataract surgery could actually help you live longer. Interesting. Good morning.
Good to be here this morning.
All right. That's alarming. How is it going to extend our life?
Well, alarming in a good way.
In a great way, yes. Well, we're all going to get cataract surgery right now.
Well, the question's so good that a study was actually released this past January where they studied 75,000 post-cataract patients for 20 years, and they found that the far majority lived longer than their counterparts that did not have cataract surgery. And we think that the reason for this is kind of multifactorial, but I think the take-home here is quality of life. Your vision's better, you can do more things. You can be more athletic, take walks, be able to get to your doctor easier because you can see, take your medicines correctly because you can read the labels, and maybe even more importantly, we have other studies that have shown less trips, falls, and breaking of the hip, which is one of those critical things that can lead to the demise of many patients when they get very old, is to have these big, hip fractures and things like that. So, better vision, better quality of life leads to added years of life.
Very good. It's all very, very important. It's all starting right here with our eyes. But how do people know if they're starting to develop cataracts?
No, that can be difficult because cataracts come on slowly. So it's not like night and day to begin with, like we show in some of our pictures. It may be that, street signs are just not quite as crisp and clear anymore. That fine print on the television's hard to read. The colors aren't as just sharp and vibrant. But it can be as severe as, hey, I rarely go out and drive at night anymore because that glare from headlights bothers me so much. And you become more of a little bit of a shut-in, and that shouldn't happen anymore.
And how are we treating this?
Okay. So, neat thing at Key Whitman is that we do all our procedures at our on-site certified outpatient surgery center. So we make it very easy for the patient. They're there maybe about an hour and a half, and they go home right afterwards. So again, easier than going to a hospital, and also easier on the pocket, but much cheaper to have it done in our surgery center than a hospital.
And I've been there. You have a beautiful facility right there after 75.
Love it.
Now, you mentioned that they're going home right after the surgery, though. Let's talk about recovery time.
Well, yes. So they go home right afterwards. We'll see them the next day. Most people, the vision's starting to improve already, and for the far majority of people, by about 2 weeks, they're fully healed, and then we can proceed with the same procedure on the other eye.
Now, aside from coming to see you, will you give us some tips or maybe some advice on those who think they might start to develop cataracts?
Well, and that really goes for anybody that's noticing a change in their vision. They need to come into Key Whitman right away, and if we find that you do have cataracts, Key Whitman is really one of the few centers in North Texas that has the full range of options in terms of high technology lenses that can help reduce your dependence on glasses by helping your vision distance, intermediate, and close-up, all distances, and we can get you back to your normal activities as soon as possible.
And it's covered by insurance.
Exactly. In fact, at Key Whitman, we take all the regular insurance, but we also take Medicare, we take Medicare Advantage, and we also take the exchange program. So if you've called other doctors' offices and found out, hey, they don't take my insurance, give us a call. We'll help you out. I
mentioned your location right here in Dallas, Office 75, but you have other locations as well.
Exactly. That's our headquarters office, Office 75, between Royal and Forest, but also North Dallas, Mesquite, Plano. 2 offices in Arlington. Pick up the phone, give us a call, because at Key Whitman, we want to help you see better. So come on in, we want to see you.
So you can live longer also.
There you go.
Thank you so much. So many locations, there's bound to be one near you. Many options for you. Here's the number to call if you have some questions or some concerns. Set up an appointment. It's 214-220-EYES. Or you can go to their website to set up an appointment. It's keywhitman.com.